Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PULM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move from a price action perspective, and then you look down here at the volume, and on that front, biggest volume that this chart has had for quite a while, and a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going into next week. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.90. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price does fall below $1.90, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be that previous breakout point right there. Oh, that makes it easy, at $1.80. So short-term, $1.90, $1.80. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, so this definitely applies to those of you that have more of a broader term time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, if you want to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, how do you gauge the strength of the move? This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As the purple line itself moves higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the price is at full strength, the bulls are at full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, preferably speaking, stay up above $1.90, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the overall trend is fully in control by the bulls. Now, what about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at currently, in other words, resistance levels, right up here at $2.15. Yeah, I realize the price did technically get slightly above there, but I think we can all agree right up around that area is seemingly where the bulls just can't quite move through. So both there and then there has been, giving the bulls a hard time today. But at the end of the day, as long as the price starts building higher bases, then everything else will take care of itself. And part of that is also resistance levels failing. So going into next week, focus on building higher lows, staying above that purple line, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.